Hello folks, Joanne Morris here to give you a realtor tip of the week, and this is regarding FHA VA loans on manufactured homes. And it's surprising how many realtors I spoke to this week that doesn't know the process for doing these loans on manufactured homes. As you know, your buyers are going to want to do inspections, professional and termite inspections, but beyond that there's lender required inspections. And the most important one is the engineer or foundation report that you will need to have done to make sure that the manufactured home is attached to the land and is up to today's current wind code standards, which changed in 2001. So you would hire a professional mobile home installer, licensed mobile home installer, and or I prefer to use an engineer. They go under there, they look at the tie downs, and they tell you if they're good or if they need to be upgraded. And then that you get an estimate for the upgrade, and that is an amount that gets negotiated between buyer and seller. Now, if the home is newer than a 2002, then more than likely it will pass and you won't have that problem. Hope this helps. Have a great day.